Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create, import, search, and organize contacts in Mampu AI. By the end, you'll also know how to save useful filters so your team can quickly find the right group of customers. From the Mampu AI dashboard, select Contacts from the left navigation. The Contacts section gives your team one place to manage customer information and keep important details organized. Let's start by creating a contact manually. Select Add Contact and enter the customer's basic information. For this example, we're creating a demo customer named Sarah Tan. You can add information such as the customer's email address, phone number, city, country, bio, company, and social profiles when they're relevant to your business. Here, I'll add Sarah's location and a short description of what she's interested in. After saving the contact, you can open View Details to review or update the information at any time. Keeping contact information accurate makes it easier for your sales and support teams to understand who they're speaking with. You can also add internal notes to a contact. Notes are useful for information your team may need during future follow-ups, such as customer preferences, previous requests, or the next action that should be taken. For information that you want to store in a more structured way, you can use custom attributes. For Sarah, I'll set the value to teeth whitening. Custom attributes can be adapted to your own business. If you already have an existing customer database, you don't need to create every contact manually. Mampu AI also supports importing contacts using a CSV file. After the import is complete, the new contacts appear in your database. You can still open any imported contact and review or update its information when needed. When your contact list becomes larger, use Search when you already know which contact you're looking for. For example, searching for Sarah immediately brings up Sarah Tan's contact record. For more specific criteria, use filters. Here, I'll select City, choose Equal to, and enter Kuala Lumpur. After applying the filter, Mampu AI shows only the contacts that match that condition. Filters can also use other contact fields and custom attributes. If this is a group that your team will use regularly, you can save the filter instead of rebuilding it each time. I'll save this one as Kuala Lumpur City. The saved filter is now available for future use, making it much faster to return to the same group of contacts. You now know how to create a contact, manage customer information, add internal notes and custom attributes, import contacts in bulk, search your database, and create reusable filters. Subscribe us for the next part.